How to fix Tapswap wallet connect option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you two different methods with the help of which you would be able to easily fix this issue. So make sure you watch the video carefully until the very end. So in the first step, you just have to check your wallet compatibility. So sometimes when you are not using the compatible wallet with Tapswap, you might be facing this type of error. So you can use the compatible wallet with Tapswap, like any of the Solana based wallets like Phantom wallet or the Solflare wallet. After selecting the Phantom wallet or the Solflare wallet, you just have to connect it with the Tapswap application of yours, and this way you will be able to easily fix the issue. Now the second method of fixing this problem is using the stable internet connection. So sometimes whenever you don't have the stable internet connection, you might be facing the wallet connect option not showing in your Tapswap application. So in order to fix it, you just have to make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. So these are some of the methods that you can use in order to fix this issue. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. So thank you so much for watching.